saturate my brush. And how everybody doing tonight? You can just like give it a swipe, and then we can go back and perfect that petals. Wrong one. Sorry, Instagram. Saying, how is that? Say, Nancy, come back. So now you can go back. I love this twin tip brush. If you don't have any other brush but twin tip brush, you can do so much with this. Hey, Lily, what are you doing? You still up? How are you, sweetie? Great. Sometimes you can make it perfect. I'm really meticulous and it's far away, and it drives me nuts. If you're happy with this, then we can move on to the next one. I'm gonna using a lighter pink. Saturate my brush. I don't have to worry about wipe it up unless I go into a different opposite screen. So I am going to... Lily, how are you? Thank you, Lily. This is basically with my twin tip brush. If you like, as I say, it is super simple. Just draw the loop like that. Sorry, Instagram. And after the loop like that, you can using just right in the tip of the brush and then give just a little bit. And thank you, Lily. Hey, thank you, Whitney, for the love. Pretty face. Okay, so now if I want to do some more pink down here, then I'm gonna do it first before I'm gonna change to the different colors, which is I'm gonna give a little bit pink. And then when you do the nails, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. You can do totally a different or similar to what I have. This is again is not like a floral brush, but it's one of in the set of the brush. This, I love this. It can do details, do everything. You literally see me with my twin tip brush. Great. So many cute pinks colors. So now I'm gonna wipe off my brush. So if you feel like you are not sure, you can always flash key it for 10 seconds. So then it won't mess up. I'm gonna key it for just quick 10 seconds. Hey, Vicky! Thanks so much for tuning in. Drawing. Vicky said, okay, do it, Nancy, do drawing. Okay, so quick. And on the next nails, the next flowers, I'm gonna using my little purples right there that I mix it with whites and really deep purples. It's gonna load my brush. Again, this is really a basics design that all of you can't really do it. Vicky, I add some purple on. Okay, hold on. I think I might move it too much on that side. You can see the pigment is super like vibrant, really pigmented. This one I'm gonna just like totally color it. It's far away from me. I never painted like far away like that. Hey, thank you, Vicky. Thanks for sharing, Vicky. Can you also share the code in too? I freaking love this painting gel because we have a lot of inquiries. This is for all of you. Thanks so much for the love and support. And this is like simple for even the beginners. Beginners can really achieve this looks like no problem at all. Really easy. This like beside we're talking about transfer foil, me and Vicky were talking about that. It's just like this is for any of you who's like really like to do some painting, and you know this really good pigments that even like you see me. Literally, I don't have to use so much of the gel painting. Good. So I'm gonna wipe off my brush, clean my brush with no wipe top coat before I pick up my orange, but I mix my orange, dilute a little bit with the white. again. Just use the tip of the brush, really simple. You don't have to oops, sorry. That's good?
Right, that's good.
Say, wait, Nancy, come back. You can do background like a white colors or nude colors, however you would like it. I think it looks beautiful either way. Great. So I am going to cleanse my brush. This piece of paper right here, paper towels. I using this one. It's like no lens free, and clean that brush because I don't want to contaminating the colors together. All right, so I'm gonna pick up on my green, which is I have the poker greens, and I mix it with some white colors. So if you want this to be lighter, you can mix more white in there. So I'm gonna draw some leaf, some whatever you call that branch, and hold your brush like this. Touch it and then give it a little bit pressure and release the brush. So it gives you a really nice leaf and soft look. This is for all of you who is like love chamfer foil, also is really want really good pigmented forms gel painting. I am so obsessed with this because from 112 colors I mix so many different colors. You know what? Do you want to hear my true story, real story for myself? I used to really afraid of painting. I couldn't even paint. I couldn't do anything. My dad is so good. He's like really artistic, and my brother is so good what they doing. Even hubby too, they are so good. I can't even draw like a sun with like a halo and stuff like that. So I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it at all whatsoever. I'm struggling and it's my challenging. I'm always afraid of to do that. And when I meet a lot of like mentors and taking so many classes, and all the mentors will tell me that you can do it, Nancy, you just need to focus. Because I'm so OCD and I'm so meticulous. If it doesn't turn out the way I want it, I get frustrated really easy. But I didn't realize that is you can control your painting. Even you're doing your liquid and powder, you are the one that control the game. And the more frustrated you are, the harder you can get the painting. Like now when my painting is not like a perfect, but hey, at least